Cool. Well, I'm going to get started here. Looks like we have, yeah, must be 20, 25, 30 people on the call. So welcome to the home renovation webinar. Thank you so much for being here today. Before I dive into today's topic, I want to introduce our firm, VictorEric, and along with today's speaker. So at VictorEric, we're a multi-award-winning firm with over 25 years experience in the industry. We're a design build firm, so we have experience in a variety of project typologies, including new custom single-family homes, custom home renovations, as well as multi-family projects that include duplexes and the new multiplexes that I'm sure lots of you have heard about. So today we're joined by Eric Lee, who will present here now.
Just want to get started here. So basically, this is how much does a rental cost? So most of you guys are here because you're curious about that exact question. So that's great. I'm going to leave you guys with some case studies. You know, people love floor plans and photos and stuff like that, especially as before and after. Okay. Then finally, I want to leave you with the last case study, which is a transformational case study, a transformational scope case study. And this is a house in Burnaby. The renovation, we added an entire floor on top with a roof deck. The reason we did that was there's a beautiful view off Capitol Hills towards the water and downtown, and we're able to capture that by adding this extra floor. The entire home was gutted, new wall layouts, new structural footings, because of course we're kind of bringing down that load down to basement, energy upgrades to current code, so now your wall assembly is as efficient as the old ones, complete new windows, exterior cladding, doors, all of that stuff. The house itself is 3,800 square feet, so pretty big. The cost was about $325 a square feet plus the kitchen and baths. Time, 12 months. So now we're coming really close to what a new house will cost. But the reason they did a reno instead of new is it allowed them to grandfather the setbacks and the attached garage. So this is the old home, pretty typical, old Vancouver special. This is the new home. It's like, wow, unrecognizable, right? That's why we call it transformational. So this, this top part here, that's the new part that we added on top, okay? And you can see we punch lots of windows through. That's why there's some major structural upgrades, but it was well worth it because you captured the view, and I'll show you the view coming right up. Floor plan, same thing. All of the rays are the new walls, so we did quite a bit of change there. And that's the second floor. And then we added a complete new top floor. So this whole gray section here is brand new. New square footage that we're able to get for them. Hot tub, fire pit out there. So yeah, that became their master suite and they love it. This is the view that you get because we added that roof deck and that top floor. So you can see why we did that. That's the master bedroom that they get. They get to enjoy the sunset every single day.